Okay, students, here let's start our discussion about p block elements only. In the p block elements, in a very here the p block only. Which elements are called as a p block? It means that one is the differentiating electron. What do you mean differentiating electron? I mean the electrons are which differ from the one orbital to another orbital. One element to another element. These are differentiating electron. If the differentiating electron entered into the p orbital, then it's called as a p block element only. Whenever differentiating electron entered into the p orbital, then it's called as a p block elements only. The p block elements are now located in the right hand side of the periodic table. They are located in the right hand side of the periodic table only. Look at students here, this we just consider that this is the modern periodic table. This modern periodic table has been divided into 4 blocks are there. This is called S block elements only. S block elements contain alkali metals and alkali earth metals, and here the p block elements are there. Boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, oxygen, sulfur, silurium, tellurium, polonium, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So these elements are which are located in the left hand side is p block elements only. Why they call p block elements? The differentiating electron into the p orbitals only. In the p block element, you will find the 6 groups are there. Okay, boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, fluorine family, helium family. Okay, no? Generally boron family called as electron deficient family. This is a carbon family is called electron precious only. Nitrogen family also called as a dicogens only, and also is considered the electron rich only. Oxygen family also called as chalcogens only, ore forming materials. Fluorine, this family is called halogens only, salt forming materials. This one helium family is called as a noble gas elements only. Noble gases are there. Noble gas and inert gas only. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Radon is radioactive element only. We are going to discuss about helium, neon, this one component. Next, first of all, remember one point is there here the major important point is the p block elements is the elements are then which the last electron entered the p orbital. The elements in which the last electron entered the p orbital is p block only. General p block elements having electronic configuration is ns2, np, 1 to 6. 1 to 6 means here the 6 blocks. Just consider 6 groups are there. Now, except helium, atomic number 2. Okay, no? Except helium is atomic number 2 is come 1s2 will come because of properties helium is placed in the p block elements only. Okay, it located in the right hand side of the periodic table. General p block elements are located in the right hand side of the periodic table only. Just look at this one is the S block elements, D block elements, P block elements, noble gases are there. Down you can find the F block elements only. Okay, alkali metals, transition alkali and alkali earth metals, transition metals, p block element represented elements. Okay, radioactive elements. So just consider the F block inner transition metals only. Inner transition metals only. We can also find this one is then here the S block elements, D block elements, P block elements, F block elements. Look at the D block elements classified into the 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D only. We'll discuss of D block elements next chapter. F block elements also we'll discuss next chapter, 4F and 5F only. Okay, then students, then you go for here the general one point is there here generally the introduction of p block elements. P block elements are also placed in between the 13 and 18 groups are there. In 13 and 18 groups are there p block elements only, 13 to 18 only. The general electron configuration is ns2, np, 1 to 6 only. The group includes syllabus. In your syllabus is there, 15th group is there, 16th group is there, 17th group is there, 18th group is there. 15th group means here the valence is 5, 16th group means valence is 6, 17th group means valence is 7, 18th group means valence is 8 only. Okay, then students, when you go for here, you will get very clearly the elements are there, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Then students, remember here, here is in the p block elements are there, both all consider the metals, non-metals, metallites are included in this group only. Look at students, these are the metals only. Then these are non-metals only. Metals and non-metals supplied by the metallites only. Boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, astatine. These are metallites only. Okay, no. So this one is here in this p block element you can find the metals, non-metals and metallites also. Metals, non-metals, metallites. First point is then here I am discussing about the 18th group family. 18th group also called as inert group only. Rare gases, inert gases, noble gases. All names are same first one only. Generally here the 18th group containing of the helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. They are general, they are called as noble gas only. The general electron configuration is there, no, NH2 NP6. Because of complete valence electrons are there, no, these elements are doesn't take part in chemical reaction. That's the reason they are available in the gaseous form. That's they call as a noble gases, inert gases only. In that one, remember, hydrogen contain only 2 electrons. So general electron configuration is 1s2 only. They are called as noble gases because they show the very less chemical reactivity. Very less chemical reactivity only. And one point is the remaining elements, they will try to attain the octet configuration. Generally they have octet configuration. What is octet configuration means? No, if any element contain 8 electrons, the outermost shell, they are more stable only. So in order to attain the octet configuration, remaining elements are take part in a chemical reaction by either losing electron, gaining electron, or sharing electrons. All things are possible. Okay, no? Then go for the next one is the occurrence of noble gas only. All the noble gases except radon occur in the atmosphere. All the noble gases except radon occur in the atmosphere. Their atmospheric abundance is the dry air is there. Noble gas elements are 1% will be there. In that one is there, no, here noble gas elements are there, no. Argon is the major amount. Argon is a major amount only. Helium and some other helium and sometimes neon also found in the minerals of the radioactive origins only. If you go for pitch blends are there, monazite ores are there, no. In that ore you will find the helium and neon also can find here. This one is the main commercial use of the helium is there, no. Generally, you know, weather balloons are there. Weather balloons are there, they are using of helium only. Next one is there, here some meteorological observation also they use helium only. Weather balloons concern. Next one is there, xenon and radon is the rarest elements of the group only. Xenon, radon are rarest element only. Next one is xenon is more reactive when compared to remaining noble gas only. I'll discuss here. Next one is radon is radioactive element only. Radioactive elements are undergo decomposition process. Heavier nucleus become to smaller nucleus only. So radon breaks into the radium and helium will come. When now radon breaks, the produce of the radium, can just consider the radon plus helium only. Sorry, when now radium under decompose, they found radon plus helium gas only. Okay, then students, when you go for next one is there, no, the general electronic configuration. General electronic configuration, generally the noble gas having the general electronic configuration is NH2 NP6 only, except helium all having the 1s2 electron in their outermost shell. Many of the properties of noble gas are included in their generally inactive nature only. First one is the helium, atomic number 2, electronic configuration 1s2. Neon is atomic number 10, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. You can find the general electronic configuration is NS2 NP6 only. 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 4p6, 5s2, 5p6, 6s2, 6p6 only. These are the general electronic configuration. Helium atomic number 2, neon atomic number 10, argon 18, krypton 36, xenon 54, radon is 86 only. These are the general electronic configuration noble gas elements only. Next one is the periodic properties. What is periodic properties means? Now certain properties are discussed in detail only. Ionization energy. What is ionization energy here? The next one is the amount of energy required to remove the electron called ionization energy. Generally, noble gas elements having highest ionization energy because of the stable electronic configuration. Due to stable electronic configuration, these molecules have generally having highest ionization energy. However, it decreases down the group only. When it decreases down the group, what happens there is the atomic size increases. Whenever atomic size increases, look na, and what happens the effective nuclear charge decreases, and what happens is considered the ionization energy will decrease only. Atomic radii. Then what happens the atomic radii increase down the group only. You know very well. Whenever n value increases, look at the whenever n value increases is there, no? Look at the here 1s2, 2s2, 3s2. You consider the 2p6, 3p6, 4p6. Whenever n value increases, no, number of shells increases. So what happens the atomic radius is increases only. Electronic gaining enthalpy. Since noble gas elements are stable electronic configuration, they do not have tendency to accept electrons only. That's why only they having the positive electron gaining enthalpy. Positive electron gaining enthalpy. Okay, yeah, this is one is the properties there. Next one is coming to the next properties of noble gas elements are there here. Consider the chemical properties only. When you come to chemical properties, what happens there? What are the chemical properties are there? First, before we discuss chemical properties, first I will discuss about the physical properties only. All noble gases are monoatomic only. What is monoatomic? Means single molecule only. Why they are available in single molecule means you know very well here the Noble gas doesn't take part in a chemical reaction. Whenever doesn't take part in a chemical reaction, what happens? They are available in single atom only. Then they are the colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas, sparingly soluble in the water only. Generally, you know very well noble gas generally they doesn't have any colorless, odorless, tasteless gas only. Okay, they are sparingly soluble in the water. You know, the scuba divers are there. They will carry oxygen. Along with oxygen, they will take small amount of the helium or neon. They will take only. They have very low melting point and boiling point only. Because of this one is then they have the why because they have low melting point, boiling point means they have the van der Waals force of attraction. Then they have the van der Waals force of attraction. I cannot say that generally they have the least intermolecular force of attraction. They have the least intermolecular force of attractions only. Next one is helium has the lowest boiling point is 4.2 kelvins only. Okay, no, all no substances only. Because helium has the lowest boiling point only. It has as unusual properties of the diffusion. Through most of the commercial, consider the rubber industries, then they have diffusion properties only. General gas undergo diffusion easily. General gas undergo diffusion easily.